Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new Divi Layout Pack, custom made straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new, fresh candle making layout pack we think you're going to love. Let's check it out. The candle making layout pack delivers a delightful blend of custom web design to help anyone get a fresh online candle shop their customers deserve. Complete with a shop page and a product page, this layout pack has you covered. Use it to promote a wide range of products and services in candle making, aromatherapy, skincare, and more. So enjoy it and check it out for yourself. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new candle making layout pack to your own website. Okay, so before you can start adding your pre-made layouts to your website from the Divi Builder, you must first and make sure to authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options. There, click the Updates tab, and you can enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. After that, you will have access to all of our pre-made layouts, including the candle making layout pack, without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages for your website and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts from the candle making layout pack to each one of those pages. To get started, go over to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. There, select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and find the Candle Making Layout Pack and select it. On the right, you'll see a preview of all the different pages included in the pack. When you find the one you want, go ahead and select it, and then click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to save or publish it. And then you can always go in and make any changes you want using the Divi Builder as needed. Next, you'll want to continue the same process to create all of your pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each one of those pages. And once all of your pages have been created, with each of them having their own pre-made layout, you're ready for the next step, and that is to create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your new menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created. Go ahead and select all of them, and then add them to the menu. Under your menu structure area, you can organize the menu items however you like. Once you're ready, don't forget to set the display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And after that, you're ready to add a static home page for your website, which you can do by going to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, go ahead and select your home page and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new candle making layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack, and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook, and make sure to get those notifications. That way we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.